In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up Stripe payment links. So the first step is to simply go on the left side and then click on payments. Then we're gonna have to click on payment links, and from here we're gonna have to click new in the top right corner. Now once we get here, what we're gonna have to do is simply select the product that we want to sell. So as you can see, I have this one here. Basically, this is a subscription-based product. Now here we can enter the quantity, or if you want, you can enable let customers adjust the quantity. So basically, if you're selling something physical, they can select how many they want to buy. Now here we have other options such as collect customers' addresses, require customers to provide a phone number, include a free trial, limit the number of payments. So if you want, you can enable those. And as you can see here, you can see in real time the landing page basically. Now I'm not going to enable these ones. So if you want, you can also go to advanced options, and here we have other options such as promotion codes. So maybe you promote a promo code on your socials, you can enable that and people can get the discount if they click on add promotion code and enter that code. Now what we're gonna have to do next is simply go to after payment. So here, if you want, you can change here. As you can see, this is after they pay for the product. So if you want, you can show confirmation page, or if you want, you don't have to show the confirmation page. And as you can see here, we're gonna have to redirect the customers to your website. So here, simply enter your website URL. And here, this one is enabled by default. So basically this will create an invoice PDF that the customer will receive. So I'm not gonna enable this. Now, after you finish, you're gonna have to simply click on create link. Now we're gonna have to simply wait, and this is our link. So we can share it, we can add it to our store if you want. Now here we have the payment methods. So people can pay with the credit card, Apple Pay, and link. Now if you want, you can click on manage and change that. If you want, you can add more payment methods from here. As you can see, there are a lot of them. We can also enable Klarna. So basically that's all we have to do. I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.